The Cycplus Portable Air Compressor Mini Inflator A2 Pro is here to save the day. With its sleek design, impressive features, and remarkable versatility, this compact device is a game changer for anyone on the go. In this article, we'll delve into why the Cycplus A2 Pro is a must-have for car and bike enthusiasts. Sleek and ergonomic design. The Cycplus A2 Pro stands out with its ergonomic and sleek design. Its compact size and user-friendly interface make it a breeze to use, ensuring you can inflate your tires quickly and effortlessly. The device fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for a comfortable grip while in use. Its black finish exudes a modern and sophisticated appearance that blends seamlessly with any environment. Digital LCD display. One of the standout features of the Cycplus A2 Pro is its digital LCD display. This clear and easy-to-read screen allows you to set and monitor your desired tire pressure with precision. Whether you're inflating car tires or bike tires, this feature ensures you achieve the perfect pressure for optimal performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. Powerful and rechargeable. Don't be fooled by its compact size. The Cycplus A2 Pro packs a punch when it comes to inflation power. With a maximum pressure capacity of 150 psi, it can handle a wide range of inflation needs, from car and bike tires to sports equipment, and even inflatable toys. What's more, this mini inflator is rechargeable, making it incredibly convenient and eco-friendly. It comes with a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, which means you won't have to deal with cumbersome cords or search for a power source. Simply charge it at home or in your car, and you'll have a reliable inflation solution at your fingertips whenever you need it. Multipurpose and emergency LED light. The Cycplus A2 Pro is more than just a tire inflator. It's a versatile tool for various situations. It features an LED light that can be used in emergencies or low light conditions. Whether you're changing a tire on the side of the road at night or searching for something in your car, this LED light comes in handy. Power bank functionality. In addition to its inflation capabilities, the Cycplus A2 Pro doubles as a power bank. With a USB port, you can charge your electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, or GPS devices on the go. This added functionality ensures that you stay connected and powered up even during your outdoor adventures. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.